I need more coffee. I need more coffee. I don't know what to do. Some stretchies.
Do some stretchies.
Oh my God, my back just proper cracked then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, no. Okay, rolling. Right, okay, so hey guys, I'm back in the office now. So if you won a goodie bag previously, fear not, I'm going to be sending you one out in the near future. Very special fan, his name is Carl Hargraves. I think it's Hargraves. We've got a special fan, his name is Carl Hargreaves. He's been waiting so patiently for his goodie box. Well, fear not, Carl, you'll be getting a very special goodie bag very soon. And here you go, Carl. This is the first one that's being sent and it's going straight out to you. So just hold on a little bit more patiently. It will cost you a selfie though. So I'm looking forward to seeing you with a selfie with your goodie box, yeah? Anyway guys, check out some of the parts that you guys have been making. First up is from Andrew Gillingham on Facebook. The bearing was made on an Ecoca. What did I say? The bearing in this photo was made on an Ecoca SJ25 Fanic 18T and the body was made on an Ecoca SJ35HT with the same control. So thank you for sending that one in. Second up, we have a split roller from Lee Ridge. Also on Facebook, milled on a Cincinnati. Are you serious? What the hell? I've been saying that all yesterday anyway. Okay, so second up, this part was milled on a Cincinnati Dart 750 and turned on an Akuma ACT 5L pulley for the belt drive. Split in half so it can be bolted around 18mm diameter shaft, roughed, turned, and then 4 pockets milled on a Cincinnati Dart VMC, then bolted together and then turned on an Akuma CNC lathe. Dimensions are around 250 by 450 long. So thank you for that one, Lee. Keep sending them in. So next one, this beauty is from Sean Gallagher, locking glands for hydraulic cylinder on a Colchester Mastiff. And lastly, we have Chris Vanstone, also on Facebook. He sent in these awesome racing wheel centres made on a DMG Mori CLX 450 and an XYZ 1010. Is it a 1010? Do we say 1010? 1010 VMC. Okay, so we've got Blast from the Past now. Yeah! Blast from the Past! So Blast from the Past this week has an awesome competition in it. It's Guess the Age.
Now, Gina, I thought this was quite appropriate considering what you have in your garden, and it's not a lamb. In fact, for those that don't know, it's a goat. So I thought I'd pick this machine out here at ENS Precision. This is a Cincinnati lamb travelling column machine. This is one of the oldest machines they have in the machine shop, but still working well. The FTV 850 1800 travelling column means the X-axis moves on the back. It's a big working envelope. It's in fact a big machine, but the question for you is not about lambs, goats or any other animals. I want to know, and I want you to ask your audience, when this machine was made, what was its year of manufacture?
So there you have it. Guess the age of that lamb, but for all you watching at home, here is a picky of Guff Puff, my goat who lives in my garden. Okay, so this week we're going straight back to Paul, who's going to talk us through the differences of long bar, short bar magazines.
Gina, the differences between a short bar magazine and a long one. Well, this is a short bar magazine. This is a 65mm bar capacity machine. Will take just over 1 metre lengths in bar. Now, I'm now going to move you down to a longer bar magazine and explain some of the differences. So here's a long bar feed. This is attached to a Tornos machine. It is a Tornos unit. Now, this would house 3 metre bars, and the advantages some would say to this bar feed is the fact that with longer bars you can keep the machine running for longer. You've got potentially less remnant as well because the wastage of the bar is less. Imagine having a shorter bar and maybe having to change a bar because you didn't have a long enough piece left in that particular bar, then you would create much more remnant. The unmanned hours, of course, is what is beneficial on these types of machines. But then the biggest trade-off is the floor space. So here it takes up more floor space than it does on the shorter bar magazine. Maybe something to ask your viewers. What do they prefer, long ones or short ones?
Woohoo! So there you go, guys. What do you prefer, long ones or short ones? Or, or maybe you can just tell me what you have. Yeah. So network news now. So I'll go here. welcome to Network News. This week we have PASS, which is Precision Aircraft Surface Treatment. They have streamlined their services and boast clients such as Martin Baker and Doughty as their main aerospace clients. PASS can provide sulfuric anodizing in a range of colours, hard anodizing, passivation, alachrome, 1200 alachromate.
Yeah, sure.
Yay! In fact, there are loads, so simple answer is to get in contact with the team at PASS. Next up, we've got Apsley. Next up, we have Apsley Engineering, who have a new machine. It's a FANUC robo drill with a 24,000 RPM spindle and a full axis Nikon table to complement their automated 5-axis Matsuura. Stay posted for this. Were you just distracting me? Stay posted for more updates. It is Nikon table, I think. Nikon table. Also, it seems like a distant memory, but we met up with Titan at Autosport exhibition. So here's a little overview of what they were doing and most importantly, some new products and components. It's business as usual. It's business as usual for Wheelbar. The last 10 weeks have been unusual to say the least, but we're happy to say that production has continued throughout for that company. You can't stop me while I'm mid-sentence. So it is business as usual for Wheelbar. It's been an unusual 10 weeks to say the least, but I am happy to report that they have production, oh for God, whatever. It is business as usual for Wheelbar. It has been an unusual 10 weeks to say the least, but I am happy to report that they have had production throughout It is business as usual for Wheelbar. It's been an unusual 10 weeks to say the least, but I'm happy to report that they've had production continue throughout this pandemic. Their team have been splitting work patterns to enable them to achieve all promised delivery dates for their clients whilst maintaining strict social distancing rules on the shop floor. So well done, Wheelbar. And lastly, we have some pictures of components recently made at Arnold Engineering Plastics, some body armour packaged ventilator components, and a vacuum formed resuscitation table cover. They produce hundreds of these They produce hundreds of these for their medical customers in early May. That's all from me this week. My name's Gina Tara. See you later. Cool. That'll do. Lion face. Ha!
Lemon face.
Lemon face! Lion face! Ha!